Look at those watermelons. You're probably just going to send it to me.
It's about 150 pounds.
Oh, wow. Yes, okay, babe. Okay.
I didn't see the Louis.
Get out of there.
Log's big enough to do
That is
My question is,
I do.
I've got one, but Dustin's requested them to do, we want to have artwork, he's asking me.
I will once we get this on the back door like it was.
All the donors
Because
were
that's
going to
that's
go
when we
squeezing
smashed my
in
car.
and take pictures.
I don't think I
And I was like, I don't know if I'll have to go today. It's just some.
You're part of the family.
I'm like, why would I do? You guys, yeah.
He's got my.
You gotta find a way to enforce it.
Hey, I
I was gonna say, we're just trying to find some balance here, whatever works. You're short, she's short. Okay.
Where are we going?
Oh, yeah.
Everybody, get everybody in the photo.
Heavy metal. Running over some meatball sauce.
It didn't look like that when it started out.
Come on,
My
Chief.
personal page.
Cheese.
Around the corner here.
There we go.
And Zach, I gotta ask about the melon eggs. Is there?
Well, you know, wanted it to be like a nest, like a home, and instead of eggs, it needed to be watermelons because it's rocky forward.
All right.
So that was the inclusive. We wanted to get some blue feathers in and the thin blue line flag for our police officers, our law enforcement. The eagle is our protector. You know, if you look at even the dollar bill, there's an olive branch and there's arrows. And the eagle, depending on which way its head's turned, is how we're feeling as a people, as a nation. And this one, I think, is looking forward. So I think we're going to move forward. We want to show our law enforcement that we love them. And even though they don't get the attention they deserve, you know, we think about you guys.
Thank you.
Will do.
That was a short meeting.
Cool. I'm still sticking with their melon ear eggs, and we found the origin of the melon ears.
I should have put googly eyes on them. I didn't think.
That is